These are here.
Here.
This is there.
There.
The jacket is there.
There.
The hat is here.
Here.
The shoes are there.
There.
The dress is here.
Here.
The t-shirt is there.
There.
The trousers are here.
Here. Choose here or there.
Where's the yellow dress? Is it here or there? It's
here. Well done.
Where are your trousers? Are they over here or over there?
Our trousers are over there. Great.
Where is the red hat? Is it here or there?
It's here. Super. Answer yes or no.
The boots are there. Yes or no? No.
The boots are here.
The watch is there. Yes or no? Yes.
The watch is there.
The jacket is here. Yes or no? No.
The jacket is there.
The purple handbag is there. Yes or no? Yes.
The purple handbag is there. Where is it?
Where is the baseball cap?
It's there.
Where are the glasses?
They're here.
Where is the skirt?
It's there.
Where is the bag?
It's there.
Where is the sock?
It's here.
Where is the shirt?
It's here.
The necklace is here.
Here.
The hat is there.